Man, I can't believe I got grounded just because I was forcing Stan Marsh to be his friend and kicking and punching him in the face. This is stupid. What should I do? I know. I'm going to kidnap Dylan Foxsky's dog, and this will be my revenge for Dylan Foxsky making grounded videos out of me. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, ha 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 ha. Okay, so this is where Dylan Foxsky lives. So he lives in Animates' house. All right. Now I know Luna's in the backyard. Now I'm gonna go kidnap her. Now my chance. Hello, Luna. It's me, Caillou. You come with me right now. Ha 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 ha.
Hey Luna. It's time to go out for a walk. Hey. Why isn't my dog here? I thought she was always there. You animate. I need your help. You animate. Dylan. What's wrong? Is everything okay? No. While I was going to the backyard, my dog Luna isn't there. Maybe she ran away or something? Oh my god. That's terrible. Come on. Let's go find her.
Welcome to my dungeon, Luna. You're gonna be staying here for full hours, and you're gonna see what will I do to you in the dungeon. You'll be staying there. Dylan and Foxsky will never save you. Ha ha ha.
Luna, where are you? I feel so worried. It's okay, Dylan. We can find Luna.
Hey. What's going on here? Is everything okay?
You animate and Dylan, what's this all about?
Well, Dimitri, Matt, and Katie, Dylan is sad because of his dog Luna is gone.
Wait. Now that you've mentioned it, I saw a boy that looks like Caillou stealing a dog that looks like Dylan's dog.
Wait. Did you just say Caillou?
That must have been Caillou that was stealing your dog, Dylan.
Oh my god. That spoiled rotten little brat is gonna get it once we find him.
Alright, Luna, since now I am holding that butcher knife, I'm gonna kill you and turn you into a hot dog. So yeah, it's time to die. Ha ha ha.
Stop right there. Leave my dog alone.
Oh no, it's Dylan Foxsky and the others.
That's right, Caillou. Why the hell did you kidnap Dylan Foxsky's dog?
I'm sorry, Dylan. It was gonna be my revenge for making grounded videos out of me. That's why I was gonna kidnap your dog.
That is no excuse to kidnap my dog. You know that kidnapping someone's dog is a serious crime.
I agree with Dylan. And for that, we are calling the police right now.
No, don't call the cops. I'm sorry.
Caillou. You are under arrest for kidnapping Dylan Foxsky's dog. You have the right to remain silent. Get in the police car now, you're going to jail.
Man, I can't believe I got arrested for kidnapping Dylan Foxsky's dog, which is Luna. Ma, if my dad finds out, I'm gonna be grounded again.
Caillou, words cannot describe how furious I am at you. I can't believe you kidnapped Dylan Foxsky's dog. You know that kidnapping dogs is a serious crime, and because of what you did, you are grounded until your jail time is over. I'll see you whenever I see you.